Hi everyone. So, you want to add page numbers in Google Docs, but start from a specific page? In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to do it in just a few steps. Let's dive in. I am currently in Google Docs, and I would like to include page numbers in this document. Of course, I don't want to include a page number on the cover page, because that would be silly. To insert page numbers, first off, let's go to the top tabs and click on the section titled Insert. Scroll down till you see page numbers. Hover it, and you will see different options right here. We can place the page number at the bottom right and on the top right. When we move over to this one here, it says different first page. That is, the page number will start from the second page, which is what I want, so I will click on this. When we scroll down, you will see we don't see a page number on the first page. Page number starts on the second page, and we now have page numbers in this document. That looks perfect. On second thought, when I scroll down, I think it would make more sense to start on page number 3, which is where a document starts. I don't want a page number on the table of contents. So, let's make sure the page number starts on page 3. In your case, this might be page 4, 5, and so on. Irrespective of the page you want to start from, this will work fine. So, to make sure the page number starts from page 3, we will first have to break this document up into sections, and we're going to use something called a section break. Up on the top tabs, let's click on View, and then select Show Non-Printing Characters. This shows us all the different hidden formatting in this document. And right after this table of contents, I can see that there's currently a page break here. That marks the end of this page and the beginning of the third page. I'm going to delete that. Instead, I will add another type of page break here. Up on the top tabs, click on Insert, then Hover Breaks. Instead of Page Break, I will choose Section Break. Then not only broke the page, but also broke it into 2 sections. Now we can add different types of page numbers in the different sections. Now, when I double-click on the page number in page 3, it shows that this is the footer of section 2. Click on Options, and then Page Numbers. Select Start at 1, and then Apply. And that will start the page number for this section at 1. And we now have our page number starting from page 3. Lastly, I will just go to the first section and then click on the footer and then delete to remove the page number. So that's it. We now have our page number starting from the specific page we want, which is page 3. If you find the video helpful, click on the like button and consider subscribing to the channel.